Welcome. If you want to transfer data from BLUBOO S8 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on your BLUBOO and get application to transfer data. We are going to use application named CLONEit. So let's download this application right here. And of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. If you get this app, just open it on the both devices. Click here allow 2 times. Click on the yes, I agree. And right now we have to click sender on BLUBOO. Click OK. Use this switcher and just go back. Click sender once again, tap allow once again. And right now we can click receiver on the Android phone. Click set, turn on location and just go back. Click receiver one more time and tap on the search again. Right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we got our BLUBOO, so click on it to pair, accept the request on your BLUBOO. And right now if you want to send everything from this BLUBOO smartphone, you have to click on all of these icons. Oh, and if you get this notification, you have to click on the cancel. So you have to select all of these icons and then just click on the start. So all the data from the BLUBOO will be sent to your Android phone. But if you want to get, if you want to send only details like one video, some pictures like 5.2 or something like that, click here. Then you have to move for the thing. Maybe I will go for this photo. So click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So it's really easy to transfer data between these two devices. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.